type of sandwiches. It is most commonly served in the Indian kitchen in breakfast and lunch. So today we will be learning how to make mayonnaise sandwich, classic American sandwich and pinwheel sandwich. So here we go with our first sandwich, that is mayonnaise sandwich. For mayonnaise sandwich, what you need bread, cucumber, cabbage, tomato, capsicum, black pepper, chaat masala, mayonnaise, butter, salt. Fine, you can see I have used here Zyka black pepper, Zyka chaat masala and Weber mayonnaise. So what we have to do first, we just have to finely chop all the vegetables. And before chopping all the vegetables, I am giving you an instruction. You can take help from your mama or any person that is nearby you. So what you have to do, first of all, I am just taking cucumber. I have peeled it off. I will be finely chopping it. While chopping it, you have to take help from your mother or father, whosoever is there with you. As we know, it is a sharp object, it can hurt you also. So I have chopped cucumber here, you can see. So with the help of knife, it is quite easy to chop all the vegetables nicely and even evenly also. So now our cucumber is already chopped. So I am keeping all the cucumbers in a big bowl. Yes, so we have kept all the cucumbers in the bowl. Now what we have to do, we have to take a half cabbage, that is I am using here, and I will be finely chopping all the cabbage nicely here. Again I am instructing you, you can take help from your mother or father, whosoever is there with you. Without their help, it won't be possible for you to cut all these vegetables. And I know afterwards you will be really enjoying the mayonnaise sandwich. Yes, I'm finally chopping the cabbage as it's taking time right here. So I'm keeping few cabbage in it for plating afterwards. And now what will I do? I will take small part of it and I will start chopping it finely. As finely as I can. क्या करना है बच्चों में, यहाँ पे हमें सारी वेजिटेबल्स को बहुत अच्छे से बारीक बारीक काट लेना है. So now what I am doing again, I am just taking the cabbage part here and I am again starting finely chopping it. I'm keeping a part of it in a big bowl. Again I'm taking cabbage from here. And one more thing, you can use carrot also. If you like carrot, you can use carrot also in it. As right now it is not easily available in the market, so I'm not using carrot here. Yes. Very good. I know you all are doing it nicely. Definitely, if you want to have mayonnaise sandwich, you need to do some hard work for it. As we all know, without doing any hard work, we can't get success. So for having the sandwich also, you have to do a little bit of hard work. So okay, I am only using this much of cabbage here. This is the waste. I am keeping it aside. Now you can see I have cleaned up the area. Now after chopping the cabbage, I will be using capsicum here. Now I am cutting all the cabbage here. Here you can see it is a big slice. We need to do it we need to finely chop it here as instructed in instruction that we will be using only one capsicum here. If you think you need more capsicum, more cabbage or more cucumber, you can use it. So I have kept half there. Now I will be chopping the half more of the capsicum here. What you have to do beta, you just have to finely chop all the vegetables. आपको सारी vegetables finely chop करनी है, मतलब बारीक बारीक काट लेनी है. Okay, it's looking nice. So I have kept capsicum in the big bowl. Now as you can see, I have already taken out all the seeds from it. Again I am just cutting the big slices of tomatoes here. Now I am again finally. Now I have chopped all the tomatoes here. Now I will keep the tomatoes in a big bowl. Now what we have to do, we just have to keep the chopper aside a few minutes. And right now you can see all the vegetables are finely chopped here. As I can show you, cabbage, cucumber, everything. You can see they all are looking beautiful. Now what we have to do, we have to just add mayonnaise in it. Okay, what we have to do, we have to add mayonnaise in it. So I'm using Vega mayonnaise here. I'm using spoon to take out mayonnaise. You can see I have used 2 spoons of mayonnaise here. Now what we have to do, we just have to mix it well. We just have to mix all the vegetables well. As you can see, I'm mixing it here. Yes, it's looking nice. My goodness. Yes. Yes, okay. I think no, we don't require much mayonnaise here now. If you think you want to have more mayonnaise, you can use more also. Okay. Now what we have to do, as we have mixed everything well, so what we will be doing here, now I will be adding salt in it. You have to add salt according to your taste. Now I am using chaat masala here as per my need. Now you can see black pepper is there. I am using black pepper also. I need to clean my hand first. Now what we have to do, we just again have to mix all the things well. I think everything is mixed really well here. So what we have to do, we will keep it aside for a few minutes. Now again I am using my chopper here. For what you will be thinking, for what again I am using my chopper here. As now I will be taking out 2 bread slices from it. Now one by one I will remove corner from it. But what we have to do, we have to remove all the corners from the bread slice that is with us right now. I have used Britannia bread here. You can use any other company bread also, whatever you like. It's not required to use the same company bread right now that I am using. Now you can see the bread slices here. I have taken all the bread, 2 of the bread slices. What we have to do now, we have to just have to spread the butter on the bread slice. So smoothly and gently I am using butter. I am spreading the butter evenly on the bread in each and every corner. If you're diet conscious, you can use a small amount of butter. If you are a lover of butter, you can use more butter here. We have to use butter on both the bread slices. Okay. Now I have spread the butter on the bread slices evenly, as you can see here. Now what we need to do, we need to spread the mixture. We need to spread the mixture on the bread slice evenly. What we need to do, we need to spread the mixture in the bread evenly. For evenly spreading, you can use smaller size spoon, or if you are comfortable with the big spoon, you can use big spoon also. Three more corners are left right now. Yes. Now what we have to do, we just have to keep this on the top of it. Now as you can see, it's nicely what we have to do. Almost our mayonnaise sandwich is ready. You can see our mayonnaise sandwich is ready. Now what we need to do, we need to do plating. So before that I need to clean my hands, as my hands are not tidy here. For that I will be doing plating for it. As you know, I have kept few of the cabbages there. So right now I have spread cabbages in the plate like this. You can do plating according to yourself. Right now I'm comfortable like this, that's why I have done like this. So I'm taking this part here. And now what will I do? I will spread some black pepper here. Now I'm spreading some chaat masala here. Okay. Now what I have to do? I will be showing you the mayonnaise sandwich here. Now our mayonnaise sandwich is ready. After having a delicious mayonnaise sandwich, it's time to have classic American sandwich. For classic American sandwich, I am using brown bread here. You can see Zyka black pepper, Zyka chaat masala, tomatoes, cucumber, mayonnaise, black pepper, chaat masala, and again for taste we need salt, so salt is there. Now what we need to do, we need to take out 2 pieces of bread from the packet. Now 2 bread slices are here. If you wish, you need to remove the corners, you can. If you don't want to remove, then leave it. It's not mandatory to remove the corners, but I want to remove, so I'm just removing all the corners from here. After removing the corners, you can see brown bread look like this, so I need to do it for the second one also. Now I have removed all the corners from the bread. I'm keeping waste aside. Now what I need to do here, you can see bread slices here. What I need to do, I need to spread mayonnaise over it. Okay, I need to spread mayonnaise over it evenly to each of the corners. As you can see, I'm just spreading the mayonnaise here. Okay, now I have spreaded the mayonnaise evenly in each and every corner. Similarly, I am using for the another bread slice also. It's really nice. I am done with the spreading of mayonnaise in the bread slices. Now keeping aside both the bread slices here for a few more minutes. Now what I need to do, I need to take cucumber and what I need to do, I need to cut small slices of it. We need to cut the slices carefully, evenly from all the sides. Now I'm done with it. You can see all the slices are looking nicely here. After doing this, what I need to do, I need to take one tomato here. I want to use another tomato. So I'm removing the corners. Again, I'm cutting a very thin slice of it. Now my all thin slices are ready, as you can see. Now as I have done with I have cutted cucumber also and tomato slices too. Now what we need to do, we need to take these two breads. I will be doing, I will be keeping 4 slices of cucumber in each corners nicely. And now what I need to do, I need to put few slices. I think I will be taking 2 slices of tomato. You can take more also. We can adjust one more here. So I'm taking 1 more slices of tomato here. Now what we need to do, we need to take a pinch of black pepper and we will be spreading all over it. Now I am taking a pinch of chaat masala here. Now I am using a pinch of salt over in it. Now after doing this, we will be keeping a slice of bread like this and our classic American sandwich look like this. You can use white bread also here. Okay, shall we make it one more? So I have done with 2 more bread slices here. What we need to do, we need to keep 4 slices of cucumber in each corner. Now what we need to do, we need to put 2 or 3 slices of tomato here according to our taste. Now then what we need to do, we need to take pinch of black pepper, pinch of chaat masala here and a pinch of salt here. Okay, after doing all these things, we will be taking this part and I am just covering our classic American sandwich here. You can see we can cut from the middle also, and after cutting from the middle it will look like this. If you need to cut from the corners, you can cut from the corners also, then it will give you a look like this. Okay, now what we need to do, we will keep all these things in a plate. Now you can have a look on classic American sandwich. So here we go with the last sandwich, that is pinwheel sandwiches. For pinwheel sandwiches, what we need black pepper. cheese, tomato sauce, green chutney, jam, cheese, butter, and of course 3 slices of bread we need. And I have taken their here black pepper, chaat masala and salt. Now what we need to do, we need to remove the corners of the bread. So I am removing the corners of the bread nicely. Student, carefully use the knife. You are advised to take the help from your elder sister, brother, mother, father, whosoever is there with you. So, a last bread slice is left here. I am removing the corners from this slice also. Now I have removed all the corners of the bread. I am keeping it aside. Now the most and foremost thing we need to do, we need to flatter the bread slice. For that I am using roller here. Just flatten it evenly from all the corners. Now I have done it. Now after doing so, what we need to do, we need to spread the jam first in the first slice. We need to spread the jam in the first slice. Do it carefully. Do it carefully. Now I am done with it. I am keeping it aside. Now what we need to do in the second slide, we need to just spread the cheese over the bread slice. You need to spread the cheese evenly from each corner, from one end to the another end. Now I am keeping it aside. Now in the third and the last slice I am spreading the butter in it. You need to spread the butter nicely in each and every corner of the slice. Now after doing so, what we will be using? We will be using in the second bread green chutney. We will spread green chutney nicely in the second slice, in which we have already spreaded the cheese there. So now I am keeping it aside. After doing so, we will be using the last slice, that is off, that we have already spread butter in it. Now we will spread tomato sauce on the top of it. Now we are done with it. Now what we need to do? First of all, we need to take the slice of jam here. Then we will be taking the slice of tomato sauce and butter. And then on the top, we will be taking the slice of green chutney and cheese. Now what we need to do? Just keep it aside for a few seconds. Now you need to take the capsicum. I have already removed the seeds from it. Now I am just chopping it finely here. Okay, now I am already done with it. So I am keeping it aside. I am just adding few slices of the capsicum here. What you need to do now, the foremost thing is you need to roll the slices carefully. Okay, you need to roll it carefully. It will look like this. Just press it from each and every corner. Okay. I'm just clearing my hands now. Afterwards, I will be cutting the slices of pinwheel. And keeping it aside. Second pinwheel is ready. Now it's time to cut the third and fourth one. So I'm already done with it. So our pinwheel quite look like this, and it is surely it is delicious. Try this at your home. It is really amazing. Have it. Now what we will be doing? In the last we need to do the plating. So I have already made 4 pinwheel here. So I'm just keeping the rest 4 pinwheel here. Now you can see, now in the last what we need to do? We need to spread black pepper over it, as I have already done. Now I will be spreading chaat masala and salt as per our need. Okay, now I'm done with it. Now if you wish, you can spread sauce here. I have spreaded tomato sauce here. Now green chutney here. So your plate will quite look like this. Now I hope you all have enjoyed making different type of sandwiches. Now it's the time for healthy drink. A healthy outside starts from the inside. Now Vishali ma'am is here. She will teach you how to make different type of healthy drinks. As healthy drinks are good for health and it boosts up the energy level in an individual. So eat, drink and be healthy.
Hello everyone. So in the previous session, Gitanjali ma'am has already made you learn some yummy and healthy sandwiches. With yummy and healthy snacks or sandwiches, you need to have some refreshing drinks, right? So in the sunny summers, you need to have some refreshing drinks. That too, it should be healthy, and the people who are very health obsessed, they need to have some healthy drinks, right? So today we are going to learn 2 healthy drinks, that are watermelon mojito and aloe vera juice. Fine, first we'll go with aloe vera juice. So here we go for aloe vera juice. Need the ingredients: aloe vera, honey, oops, mint, 2 lemons, 2 glasses of water or more than that according to your quantity. Water you can have either chilled or normal water according to your choice. So here we go, how to make aloe vera juice. First, for aloe vera juice, you need to cut the aloe vera like this. First, you need to cut the corners of aloe vera. Aloe vera juice helps to clear your skin. Aloe vera juice helps to boost your immunity. It helps to make your hairs very strong. And it's very important, people who are suffering from the digestion problem, aloe vera juice helps to reduce the constipation. People who are suffering from constipation, it helps to get rid of it. So here we go, how to cut aloe vera. See, you need to have only the gel part. You don't need to have the green part. Cut the upper part first. Then you need to have the gel pattern. See how I'm cutting. Later on you can remove the little bit of the green pulp that is left with the gel. Okay. It's very healthy and even yummy. People don't like aloe vera juice that we buy from market, but you can have your own natural fresh aloe vera juice. Everyone have aloe vera plant at home. It's medicinal plants. It helps in many ways. See, light ways. See, now we have cut and this is the gel. I have washed it. Now you can dip in the water for 2-3 minutes. And now, like this. See, I have cut 2 to 3 aloe vera sticks and dip it in the water. The next process is to use the mixer grinder. Put the gel in the mixer grinder. It should not have any of the green part. So when you dip in the water, you are able to see the green part. So if it have, you can cut it there and then only. आप उसी टाइम ग्रीन पार्ट को कट कर सकते हो. जब आप वाटर में डिप करते हो तो वो इजीली विजिबल होता है. See, now we have this gel of 2 to 3 slices of aloe vera. Now I have already washed the mint, so add some mint leaves in it. Some mint. I have added some mint in it, and the next is I added good amount of mint because mint gives a very good taste and it's good for your stomach as well. Add some lemon juice. I'll add at least 2 lemons. 1.5 you can add according to your taste, so I am adding 1.5 lemon according to my taste and my family's taste. Now after adding the lemon, I am adding 2 glasses of water. Now let's mix it in the mixer grinder. To strain it with the strainer. In the jug. You can see the color, it's very yummy. Aside. Now let's pour it in the glass. The people who are health conscious, they can use honey, and the people who like sugar, they can add sugar as well. Before adding honey or sugar, you can add some mint in the glass. And all depends upon you uses ice cubes or not. If you like chilled juice, then you can add cubes also, but I'm not adding. I'll add in one glass and other will be right. Okay, so adding cubes in one glass. And then adding lemon, and then now pouring it in the glass. See the yummy juice. And then you can put straw. And you're ready with the aloe vera juice. It's very yummy. The refreshing. Now the next drink, that is watermelon mojito. As you know, in summers watermelon is everyone's favorite. So today let's make a refreshing and tasty drink out of watermelon. So for watermelon we need half a watermelon, mint leaves, then some lemon and lemon juice of at least 2 lemons, powdered sugar, a bottle of soda water. Extra material that you required is muddler for muddling the mints. Then you need mixer grinder, 2 of the jugs, then you need spoons, and the most important, that is strainer. So let's start making how to make the watermelon. So for cutting, you need to cut small cubes. I have already cut it half of the watermelon. Okay. Then now we need to put it in the mixer grinder. As you know that watermelon already contains the water, so you don't have to add water. Now grind. As I have already grinded the watermelon, so now you can see it is grinded very well. Now you need to strain it in a jug. I'll take a jug and take a strainer. You can use spoon to strain it. Now we have strained the juice. Now we need to muddle muddle some leaves in the muddler. Mint leaves. Now we need to muddle some leaves. Now this muddled mint leaves we need to put in the juice. You can muddle some more leaves, I think it's less. Now we have added the muddled leaves and mixing it well. Now add some, at least 2-3 spoons of powdered sugar. Then I've taken lime juice of at least 2 lemons, adding the lime juice and mixing it well. In another jug, adding some pieces of lemon. Add some mint leaves. And then put some ice cubes and then pour the juice in. Mix it thoroughly. And then add 1 glass of at least soda water. One glass of soda. Again mix it thoroughly. Now it's time to pour it in the glass. Let's pour it in the glass now. Now let's garnish the juice with some mint leaves, lemon, and we're ready to have the yummy, tasty, refreshing watermelon mojito.